Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Liam and Lily Talks. I'm so happy you're here with us today. How are you? I hope you're having a great day.
Hey, welcome. It's so good to see you all again. I'm really excited about today's topic. It's a very special one.
Yes, today's topic is close to my heart. Sometimes life is hard. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we think nobody can help me. But today, we want to talk about something very important. You can help yourself.
That's right. Today's episode is called Only You Can Help Yourself, and we're going to learn simple, everyday English words and phrases about this idea.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about yourself, your decisions, and your actions in English. You'll learn simple sentences you can use every day.
We have a question for you right now. Do you believe in yourself? Write your answer in the comments below. Write, "Yes, I do," or "I'm trying." We want to read your answers.
And please, if you like our show, hit the like button and subscribe to Liam and Lily Talks. It really helps us so much. Don't miss any of our episodes.
Okay, let's start learning. Are you ready? Let's go.
All right, let's start with something simple. In English, when we talk about ourselves, we use the word I. This is very important. I is always a capital letter in English. Always.
Yes, and we use I with action words. We call them verbs. For example, I work, I study, I try. Simple, right?
Let me give you some everyday examples. I wake up every morning. I go to work. I make my own decisions. These are normal sentences about your daily life.
Now here's the key phrase for today. I can. This means you have the ability to do something. I can do this. I can try. I can change. Say it with me. I can.
I love I can. It's such a powerful phrase. And the opposite, I can't, means you are not able to do something. For example, I can't do everything alone. That's okay too. It's honest.
Here's a question for you listeners. Can you write one I can sentence in the comments? For example, I can speak a little English. Try it. We'll read your sentences.
Now, let's look at I will. This is about the future. I will try. I will change. I will help myself. It's a promise to yourself.
Great point. So remember, I can is about ability right now. I will is about your plan for the future. Both are very useful. Both are very positive.
Okay, now let's talk about decisions. A decision is when you choose something. In English, we say, I decide, or I make a decision. For example, I decide to study English every day, or I make a decision to be better.
I love this because in real life, every day we make small decisions. I decide to wake up early. I decide to eat healthy food. I decide to be kind. These small decisions are very powerful.
Now, let's talk about actions. An action is something you do. We say, I take action, or simply, I do it. For example, I study every day. That's an action.
Let me show you the difference between formal and informal English here. Formal, I have decided to improve my English. Informal, how we say it every day, I'm going to work on my English. Same meaning, different style.
For beginners, use the informal style first. It's easier and it sounds natural. You can say, I'm going to try. I'm going to do this. I'm going to change.
Here are 3 simple tips. First, decide what you want. Second, say it out loud. Third, take one small action today. Just one. Small steps are still steps.
Can you write in the comments, what is one decision you made today? Even something small. I decided to watch this video. That counts. Write it below.
Yes, every good decision is important. Remember, your decisions make your life. That's the big idea today. Your life, your decisions.
Now let's talk about something really beautiful, encouraging yourself. That means saying positive things to yourself. In English, we call this self-talk. What do you say to yourself?
Many people say negative things to themselves. I'm not good enough. I can't do it. It's too hard. Do you ever say these things? It's okay. Many people do.
But we can change our self-talk. Instead of, I can't do it, say, I'll try my best. Instead of, I'm not good enough, say, I'm learning and growing. These small changes are very powerful.
Let me give you some simple phrases you can use every day. Say these out loud. Really, say them. I believe in myself. I am strong. I can do hard things. I'm getting better every day.
How do you feel when you say those words? Good, right? That's the power of positive language. And in English, these phrases are very common. You'll hear them in songs, in movies, in everyday conversation.
Here's a little practice. I'll say a negative sentence and you say the positive version out loud. Ready? I can't learn English. Now you say the positive version. I can learn English. Did you say it?
One more. Nobody helps me. Now the positive version. I can help myself. Say it loud. Don't be shy. Practicing out loud is the best way to learn.
Remember, the structure is simple. Subject plus verb plus object. I help myself. I believe in myself. I push myself. Put myself at the end when the action comes back to you. That's called a reflexive pronoun. But don't worry about the grammar name. Just remember the pattern.
Common mistakes section. Okay, let's talk about common mistakes. Liam, do you remember when you made mistakes in English?
Oh, all the time. Even now sometimes. But you know what? Mistakes are how we learn. So let's look at some mistakes beginners often make with today's topic.
Mistake number 1. Some people say, I am decide to go. No. The correct sentence is I decided to go or I decide to go. Don't put am before decide. It doesn't work like that.
Mistake number 2, I can to do it. This is very common, but it's wrong. After can, we don't use to. The correct form is I can do it. Simple. No to after modal verbs like can, will, must.
Mistake number 3, myself can help me. This sounds strange. Myself is not the subject. I is the subject. The correct sentence is I can help myself. I comes first, myself comes at the end.
Mistake number 4. Some learners say I will to change. Again, no to after will. Just say I will change. Clean and simple.
You know what's funny? I used to say I am wanting instead of I want. Some verbs in English don't use the ing form. Want is one of them. Just say I want to improve, not I am wanting.
Don't worry if you make these mistakes. Everyone does. The important thing is you notice, you correct, you move on. Write in the comments, which mistake do you sometimes make? Be honest, we all do it.
Exactly. Making mistakes doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means you're trying, and trying is everything.
Keep going. Every mistake is a lesson. You're doing great just by being here and learning today.
All right, let's do some practice. This is my favorite part. I'm going to give you 2 sentences. You choose the correct one. Ready? Situation 1. You want to say you are able to do something. Which is correct? Option A, I can do it. Option B, I can to do it.
The answer is option A, I can do it. Remember, no to after can. Say it out loud right now. I can do it.
Situation 2. You want to talk about a future plan. Which is correct? Option A, I will to study tomorrow. Option B, I will study tomorrow.
Option B is correct. I will study tomorrow. Again, no to after will. These modal verbs are simple once you know the rule.
Situation 3. You want to encourage yourself. Which sounds more natural? Option A, nobody helps me. Option B, I can help myself.
Option B, always. I can help myself is positive, strong, and natural. That's the energy we want.
Now, here's a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using I can, I will, or I help myself. Write it in the comments. We read every single comment. We love seeing your sentences.
And remember, don't wait for perfect. A simple sentence is better than no sentence. I will try is a perfect sentence. Short, clear, powerful. Real conversation is not about perfect grammar. It's about communication.
Wow, we covered so much today. Let's do a quick summary. Today, we learned how to talk about ourselves using I can and I will. We talked about making decisions and taking action, and we learned how to encourage ourselves with positive self-talk.
Yes, so the 3 big ideas today were, number 1, use I can for ability. Number 2, use I will for future plans. Number 3, talk to yourself kindly. Say, I can help myself.
You are doing amazing. Learning a new language is hard, but you are here. You are listening, you are trying. That is something to be really proud of. Be proud of yourself today.
Here's a question to think about.
What is one thing you will do for yourself this week? Something small is fine. Write it in the comments. Let's support each other.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like, share this video with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to Liam and Lily Talks so you never miss an episode. Your support means the world to us.
Remember, nobody can walk your path for you, but you are not alone. We are here every week learning together. You've got this. We believe in you. See you next time.